What if I told you there's a simple service that you can set up in under 5 minutes, and you can do this with no coding, no experience, no degree, and real estate agents will gladly pay you $300, $500, even $1,000 a month for it every single month on repeat. And once you set it up, you don't have to touch it again. I'm talking about a legitimate recurring income side hustle that's perfect for the plus 50 generation, and one that you can start today from your laptop, targeting one of the most motivated buyer pools on the planet, real estate agents who are hungry to sell more homes faster. So stick with me, because I'm walking you through the entire thing step by step in this video. And if this clicks for you, smash that like button, drop agent in the comments, and subscribe. When you do, I'll send you a private link to get a free 30-day trial of the simple software I use, my free AI assistance course that teaches you how to make exciting monthly recurring income, all my pre-made websites, full templates and scripts, and even pre-made AI assistants like I'll be showing you here in this video. All the assets I personally use that you can start using today, 100% free. Here's the play in plain English. Real estate agents spend thousands of dollars chasing leads, but here's the problem. Most of those leads call in, nobody answers, and the agent loses the sale. That lead goes to the next agent who picked up. So what we do is we set up an AI voice assistant, basically a 24/7 phone agent that answers every single call for their listings. It qualifies the buyers, answers property questions, and books showings directly into the real estate agent's calendar automatically, while the agent is out showing other houses, at dinner, or just hanging with their family. And you are the person who sets it up and maintains it for them. That's it. That's the whole service. You charge $297 to $497 or even $997 per month. The agent pays it happily every single month because the system is actively booking them appointments while they sleep. You're not trading hours for dollars. You set it up once, collect a monthly fee, and move on to the next agent. 5 clients equals $1,500 to $2,500 a month in recurring income. 10 clients, well, you do the math. So let me explain something important, because this is what makes this model so powerful. Real estate agents only get paid when a home actually sells. They pour money into Zillow leads, ads, and open houses. But if a lead calls in at 9 p.m. on a Saturday and nobody answers, that deal is gone forever. Another agent will get it. The pain is real, and it's constant. When you hand them a system that answers every call, qualifies every buyer, and fills their calendar with real showings, you're not selling them a tool, you're solving a core business problem. You're the reason their listings are moving faster. Think about it from the agent's perspective. An average home commission in the US is $10,000 to $15,000. If your AI system helps them close even one extra deal that they would have otherwise missed, your monthly fee pays for itself 30 times over. That's why they pay it, and that's why they don't quit. Once an agent sees their phone answered at midnight, a showing booked for Saturday morning, and a hot lead in their inbox, they are not calling you to cancel. They're calling you to ask if you can set this up for their other listings. That's the recurring income flywheel, and once it's spinning, it basically just runs itself. It's like that old wheel you'd get started, and once you get it going, it just keeps going, 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 just like that. You don't need to buy leads. You don't need to run ads. You're going to find your clients on Zillow completely free, and I'll show you exactly how. So we're just going to head on over to my computer here, and we're going to go to Zillow.com in the main navigation. And you'll see here, we're going to click on Find an Agent. And when we do, we're going to type in any city, state, or zip code. I'll use Scottsdale, Arizona as the example, and hit search. Now, you'll see a full directory of active agents in that market. You'll see their name, phone number, email, star rating, number of reviews, and recent sales volume. And this is your prospecting goldmine. You're looking for agents who are active, their recent sales with solid reviews, listings in the mid to upper price range. And these are agents who are closing deals and can easily afford your monthly fee. So we're going to click onto any agent's profile. Most of their contact info is right there: name, phone number, email, and sometimes a link to their website. This is all public, 100% free, no login required, and that's it. And we'll open a simple spreadsheet and collect 20 to 30 agents, and that's going to be your hit list. Now, here's where most people mess this up. They send a generic cold pitch, and that gets ignored. We don't do that. Our outreach is hyper-personalized. It takes 2 minutes per agent, and it converts like crazy because it leads with absolute value, not a sales pitch. So here's the play. You go to that agent's active listing on Zillow, you see how long it's been sitting on the market, and use that information to make the outreach feel more personal and urgent, because it is. Then you record a short and simple Loom video similar to this one.
Hey, Holly, this is Don Bassler. Don't delete this text. Real quick, I built you an AI assistant that answers calls for your listings and books showing automatically so you can cash that commission check much quicker. You want to test it out for free? Just respond yes.
That last line is the kicker. You created curiosity and inferred that it's free, and this is basically an irresistible offer. The response rate on this is significantly higher than any cold email because it's not generic. You're offering them something built exclusively for them for free with zero risk on their end. Now, let me play for you a real live demo so you can hear exactly what the agents experience when they call.
Thank you for calling about the home at 8400 Dixoletta Drive in Scottsdale. I am the listing assistant. I would be happy to share details or arrange a private showing. How may I assist you?
Can you give me details about the HOA on this property?
Of course. The home is located in the guard-gated Cinquedados community, and the HOA fee is $770 quarterly. This covers amenities like security, tennis courts, a playground, walking and biking paths, and access to the Lone Mountain hiking trails. Let me know if you'd like more details or have other questions.
Yes, can you tell me how many bedrooms and baths it has?
Absolutely. This home features 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. That includes 2 full bathrooms and 1 half bathroom. The primary suite also has a spa-style bath and a built-in fireplace for added luxury. Let me know if you'd like to hear more about the layout or other features.
Yeah, do you have anything about the value of the property taxation, like what I'd pay in property taxes?
Yes, I can help with that. The annual property taxes for this home are approximately $4,286. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like to know.
It sounds interesting. I'd like to book a showing if I could.
That's wonderful. I'd be happy to arrange a private showing for you. Let's start with the day. What day works best for you?
How about Friday of next week?
Got it. Friday, February 13th. What time would you prefer?
Mornings?
All right, a morning showing on Friday, February 13th. How about 10 a.m.? Would that work for you?
Yes, that'd be perfect.
Great. May I have your full name to confirm the appointment?
Yes, my full name is Don Bassler, Donbassler.
Thank you, Don. And what's the best phone number to reach you for confirmation?
949-6.
Got it. 9496. Lastly, could I have your email address to send you the confirmation details?
For sure. It's donbassler@gmail.com.
Thank you. Just to confirm, that's DONBASSLER@gmail.com, correct?
That's correct.
Perfect. You're all set for a private showing on Friday, February 13th at 10 a.m. at 8400 East Dixoletta Drive. You'll receive a confirmation shortly. Are you currently working with a real estate agent, or would you like one of our listing specialists to assist you further?
Yeah, I'd like the listing agent to assist me further, please.
Got it. I'll have one of the listing specialists follow up with you to assist further. You're all set for your showing, and they'll be in touch soon. If you have any other questions in the meantime, feel free to reach out. Have a great day, Dawn.
Thank you. You too.
You're welcome. Take care and have a great day.
Hear that? That AI answered every question, handled objections, and booked the showing, all without the agent doing a single thing. So there's no missed calls, no voicemail purgatory, and no lost leads. That's what you're delivering. And when an agent hears that demo built around their own listing, the conversation shifts from maybe to how do I get this working for my listings? And here's the part that makes this so incredibly sellable. The setup is absurdly simple. It's essentially copy, paste, done. Let me walk you through it. So we're going to go to the agent's listing on Zillow and click on the property address to open the full listing page. You're going to copy the entire property description, everything. We're typically getting square footage, bedrooms, baths. Grab the essentials only just to about here. And now we're going to open ChatGPT and copy and paste this prompt. It says, I'm creating an AI voice agent that answers calls, schedules showings, and answers questions for real estate listings. Here's the information I have regarding the listing. Please create a cut and paste result for me with no emojis. That's important. And then you're just going to say paste listing details here. That's where you're going to paste the listing details. And then we hit enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT reformats everything into a clean, structured AI prompt ready to plug in directly to the voice assistant software. There's no writing, no formatting, just copy what GPT gives you. And now we're going to log into your voice AI platform. We're going to come over here and click on AI agents, and we're going to click voice AI. And then we're going to come over here and click create agent. We're going to create a custom agent and click continue. Now we're just going to grab that prompt. We're going to come here and select everything in here and delete it. And we're going to go to ChatGPT. We're going to copy and we're going to paste that GPT result right into here. And then we're going to choose a voice. I like Jessica as the default, as you can see here. Jessica, we'll give her a little sampling.
Hey, Worldly 11 Labs friends, let's talk. Let's have a conversation about
I just like that voice a lot.
Jessica, and I'm looking
However,
forward to chatting with
you can also choose any of these voices. So take your time, look at them. You'll see that they offer all different kinds of things. I like to choose the default being Jessica. I use the GPT model, but you can see there's other LLMs that you can use here in other versions. I leave it as default and I leave it in English. But what's really cool about this is that this can be done from all of these countries: Germany, Spain, France, Portugal, Italy. I mean, you can look at all these languages. So this is a global opportunity, not just for Americans. If you speak these languages, go for it. I'm going to leave it at English, and then I'm just going to go right over and click on Save. So once this is done, I can test this bot, and I'll do that now. So that's done. How long did that take? Less than 5 minutes? I think it might have been 2. Seriously? This is all it takes to set up this AI voice assistant for real estate agents. And now we're just going to call the number assigned to the agent, here to answer with the exact script you built referencing the specific property, ready to answer any question a real buyer would ask. And that's the demo you send back to the agent. Show them the call, show them the appointment that just got booked, show them the buyer's name, phone, and email captured automatically. That's your close. Couldn't be more simple. And here's how you go from free paying trial to paying client. Always start with a 7-day trial. It takes you 5 minutes to set up and it costs you nothing. The agent gets to experience it working on their actual listing in real time. After a few days, they've watched their phone get answered at midnight. They've seen showings pop up on their calendar without them making a single call back. They've gotten the hot leads summary delivered to them automatically. At that point, you don't need a hard sales pitch. You just say, hey, looks like the AI handled X amount of calls and booked Y amount of showings this week. If you want to keep it running full time, it's just $297 a month. You can fudge that number to however you want. And we can expand it to cover all your listings. Plug it into your other lead sources like realtor.com and your social media and handle everything on autopilot. That's a no-brainer for an agent who just watched the system book them a showing on a listing that's been sitting for, let's say, 90 days. And here's the kicker. Once they're in, they grow. You can add lead nurturing sequences, automated follow-up campaigns, and multi-listing coverage. Add more value, more revenue to the same client. This is not a one-and-done gig. This is a relationship, and it pays you every month. Let's run the numbers simply. 3 clients at $297 a month is roughly $900 a month in recurring income. 5 clients at $397 per month is nearly $2,000 a month. And 10 clients at, say, $497 a month is close to $5,000 a month, monthly recurring income. And remember, you are not building this every month. You set it up once per client. You collect the payment, the AI does the work. Even if you only land 3 or 4 clients in your first 30 days, you've built a real income stream that doesn't vanish at the end of the month. This is the kind of side hustle that starts paying for your lifestyle, your weekend trips, your kids' tuition, your boat payment. And for the agents you serve, they're selling more homes faster, which means they're upgrading their boat too. And if they don't have a boat, this helps take care of that. Everybody wins. Okay, you just saw the entire playbook. How to find clients for free, how to outreach in a way that actually gets responses, how to set up the AI in under 5 minutes, and how to convert a free trial into recurring monthly income. This is not complicated. This is strategic copy and paste that creates a real, scalable income stream for you. The only question is, are you going to act on it? If you want to get started fast, do this right now. Like this video, drop agent in the comments, and subscribe. And when you do, I'll personally send you my free step-by-step course on setting this up, a private link for the 30-day free trial to the exact software I use to achieve this, all my outreach templates, websites, sales scripts, ready to copy and send. There's no guessing. There's no overwhelm. There's just execution. Let's build something real together, and I'll see you in the next video.
That was easy.